guys.
Near us, Ben Arthur. I mean, you put him on, you've got to get him the ball. That's
ducks even using those laws that we have at the moment. When we introduced a law which said that it's a criminal offence of paying for sex with a woman who's coerced. In the first year of that law, there were something like 42 prosecutions, most of which were successful. Actually, in the last year, it's gone down to single figures.